Hi, this is Jessica with Dining Traveler, and welcome to the Dining Traveler cooking series where we make dishes from our favorite destinations at home. And this time we're headed to Mexico. We're gonna make Chipotle mushroom tacos, and these are made with chanterelle mushrooms, which are nice and hearty and filling. They taste so delicious with that smoky chipotle with nice fire, a little bit of queso fresco, and we're gonna serve them with homemade tortillas. This recipe is a big hit every time I make it at a dinner party, and I bet it will be a hit at your home as well. So let's get started. The first step is to prepare the mushrooms, and chanterelle mushrooms, if you buy them at a nice supermarket, they are pretty clean already. If it does have a little bit of dirt, you can use a wet towel to remove that. You don't want to soak these in water. Some of them can be quite big, so all you have to do is just rip them up with your hands like this, but you want the pieces to be nice and hearty because they are the star of the dish. The other star of the dish is the chipotle, which is gonna bring that nice smoky flavor. These are very spicy. I buy them canned, and what I like to do with mine is put them in a bowl and cut them with scissors into small pieces. And then I just pour a little bit of water in it to just dilute that sauce a little bit. Just play around with the flavor profile that you want. And in this case, we're gonna use half a can for a pound of mushrooms. Now we're gonna spread the mushrooms on a baking tray and make sure that they are nice and even so they can cook through. And now we're gonna roast them in the oven at 400 degrees until they're nice and golden. So while the mushrooms are roasting, this is a perfect time for you to prepare some tortillas. You can make them from scratch like me, or you can even buy some store-bought tortillas and just warm them up on the frying pan. We pulled the mushrooms out of the oven, they're roasted, they smell fantastic, they're nice and soft, and now we're gonna put our tacos together. And for garnishes, I have some queso fresco, some pickled red onions, cilantro, a little bit of lime juice, but you can get creative. Sometimes I like to do crema, sour cream to cut that spiciness, add some avocados, it is up to you. This is how we make Chipotle mushroom tacos at Casa Dining Traveler. They smell delicious with the cheese and the onions. And now to my favorite part, to taste. The tacos are delicious. You can taste that spiciness from the chipotle. The mushrooms are nice and tender yet hearty. And then the garnishments, the cheese, the onions, it just adds so much flavor, especially with a homemade tortilla. Delicioso. So if you guys have any feedback or questions, please share in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope to see you again. Adios.